In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A07 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connections right away. Now select More Connection Settings. And when you're ready, click on Printing available here. Now you can click on Default Print Service instantly or download any other one from Google Play Store. They all turn on the same way, so just click on it on the left and tap on this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you still can't connect though, enable print service and wait for 3 dots at the top right corner to show. When they do, click on them and tap on Add Printer option. Now you can either use Wi-Fi direct printing by clicking on this switcher, or tap on Add Printer by IP address to input it here and select Add. This way you will connect manually. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!